To walk the streets of Pompeii today is to step between two worlds. The stones still hold the memory of life. Cobbled lanes worn smooth by centuries stretch before you. On one side, a grand villa's faded frescoes hint at lost luxury. On the other, a bakery's ovens have been cold for 2,000 years. Mount Vesuvius looms green and deceptively peaceful, yet a constant reminder of the city's destruction. The ruins are silent, but every groove in the stone, every rut in the street, whispers of ancient lives. In the forum, empty statue bases and wind-whispered colonnades echo a city once filled with voices. Pompeii is not just ruins, it's a complete Roman city, frozen in time. Each building and object tells a story of life, community, and sudden death. Here, we walk directly into the past, face to face with the fragility of human existence. It's a humbling experience, a city both vibrant and silenced in a single day. Before disaster, Pompeii thrived as a jewel of the Roman Empire. Its streets bustled with merchants, artisans, and children's laughter. Wealthy Romans built lavish villas with frescoes and gardens, while bakeries and taverns served the city's working class. The Forum was the city's heart, commerce, politics, and religion intertwined. Public baths were social hubs where all classes mingled. As night fell, some enjoyed dinner parties, others flocked to the amphitheatre or theatres. Life in Pompeii was rich and varied, its people confident in their city's future. They had no inkling that their ordinary lives would soon become an extraordinary legacy. Pompeii's vibrancy was about to be frozen forever. Earthquakes were common in Pompeii, but no one suspected the mountain's true danger. In the weeks before the eruption, tremors grew frequent, wells dried up, and animals grew restless. The people noticed, but saw these as oddities, not warnings. Volcanologists now know these were signs of magma rising. Vesuvius was waking. On that fateful morning in 79 AD, the mountain erupted with thunderous explosions. A dark, towering cloud rose into the sky, plunging the city into eerie twilight. Ash began to fall, and fear swept through Pompeii. The world was turning upside down. The trusted mountain had become a monster. The city's fate was sealed in a matter of hours. For Pompeii's people, the unimaginable was now reality. The day had just begun, but for many, it would be their last. Nature's warnings had gone unheeded. The eruption unfolded in terrifying stages over 2 days. A massive explosion sent ash and pumice raining down, collapsing roofs and blocking escape. Night brought darkness and chaos. Survivors faced a deadly choice: stay inside or risk the ash-choked streets. The most lethal phase came at dawn: pyroclastic surges. Superheated avalanches of ash and gas raced down the mountain. These clouds, hotter than 300 degrees Celsius, killed instantly and swept through Pompeii in minutes. The city was buried under meters of ash, its people entombed where they fell. In less than 24 hours, Pompeii vanished from the world. A vibrant city was silenced, preserved in a shroud of volcanic death. Its story would remain hidden for centuries. The same ash that destroyed Pompeii also preserved it. The city was sealed in an airtight tomb, protecting wood, food, and even furniture for centuries. Pompeii became a time capsule, life frozen at the moment of disaster. Archaeologists found loaves of bread in ovens, surgical tools on tables, and everyday objects untouched. Most haunting are the plaster casts of victims, hollow voids in the ash filled to reveal their final moments. These casts show people in their last postures, faces, frozen in fear or pain. Bioarchaeologists study these remains for clues about death and daily life. The majority died instantly from extreme heat, not slow suffocation. The preservation is so complete, it gives voice to the voiceless. Pompeii's tragedy is told not just in ruins, but in the intimate details of lives interrupted. The science here is as much about humanity as history. Pompeii's preservation is a window into the ancient world. For 1,500 years, Pompeii lay buried and forgotten. Its rediscovery began by accident, but true excavation started in the 1700s. Early explorers sought treasure, not knowledge, damaging much in their search. In the 1800s, archaeologists like Giuseppe Fiorelli revolutionized the dig, focusing on preservation and context. Fiorelli's plaster casts revealed the human side of the tragedy. As more of the city emerged, private homes, bakeries, and even graffiti brought ancient lives into focus. Everyday objects, a child's toy, a loaf of bread, a love note made the past real. Pompeii's graffiti, from jokes to love poems, showed its people were much like us. The rediscovery unearthed not just a city, but a shared humanity. Pompeii became a bridge across time. A third of Pompeii remains buried, holding secrets yet to be revealed. Today, the focus is on conservation and high-tech exploration. Ground-penetrating radar and drones map hidden ruins and monitor damage. CT scans of plaster casts reveal details of ancient lives without harm. Scientists analyze ash, seeds, and even ancient scrolls to reconstruct the past. This fusion of archaeology and technology is rewriting Pompeii's story. Yet one question lingers. Could more warning have saved them? Or was their fate sealed by the mountain's shadow? Pompeii reminds us that nature's power still shapes our world and our history.